The Great British climate can cause real problems with flooding, damp and condensation, and poor air quality from pollen or pollution can ruin a perfect summer's day. This new advanced desiccant dehumidifier from Neostar Electronics eliminates damp, condensation and mildew. Plus, what's more, it even purifies the air you breathe. Perfect for use all year long, it's so compact, effective and easy to move around, and is ideal for all homes, caravans and more. The Neostar Advanced Dehumidifier will both prevent damp becoming a problem and combat existing damp, which can lead to mouldy walls and smelly, musty rooms. It's truly high performance, packed with great features and is eco-friendly too. The secret to its whisper-quiet operation is brilliantly simple. Moist air is drawn into the unit where a rotating disc absorbs the moisture before a heating element condenses it to water, which drains into a container. And as there's no noisy compressor, it's a greener, quieter technology. It may be quiet, but it packs a punch, combining an amazing ability to remove up to 8 litres of moisture per day whilst being lightweight and portable, weighing just 6 kilograms and measuring a compact 50 centimeters high. And there are the highly effective winter and summer laundry modes. Moist wet air given off from your drying clothes is drawn into the back of the machine. The moisture is extracted and dry warm air is blown out of the front to dry your wet clothes faster, eliminating condensation on windows caused by drying clothes indoors. There are also convenient variable humidity and power settings to deal with very damp conditions at home, in cellars and garages. It's able to achieve its maximum performance even at temperatures as low as 1 degree Celsius. What's more, if you fit the 2-meter hose supplied instead of the water collection tank, then you can drain water continuously, allowing you to leave the advanced dehumidifier unattended while it works. Plus, there's a clever auto restart feature in the event of a power failure. With Neostar Electronics, cutting-edge technology comes as standard. A silver-coated filter system and built-in Ioniser removes pollen, kills bacteria and mould spores on contact, reducing dust-mite activity, improving air purification and helping combat unpleasant smells. There are also automatic Louvres, plus a handy 8-hour timer, variable fan speeds, plus an easy-to-use electronic control panel. The Neostar Advanced Dehumidifier, the highly effective, attractive and compact machine to rid your home of damp, condensation and mildew and purify the air you breathe.
Okay, hang on.
Yeah.
Go for it.
We won't show all this, but... And then put it back in?
Yep. Yep.
It's probably not this one. Yep. Great.